think that's his house over there. I'm kind of scared, Timmy. Do we really gotta do this? He killed my neighbor, so it's only fair that we do this. Yep. We shouldn't have came here. Yeah, well, he deserves it. Oh! 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 Jimmy! Oh! Greg! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let me go! Help!
Why are we watching this overgrown rat twerking? He's having fun. Calm down.
Yeah, Big Chin, I'm having fun!
What the hell?
Greg!
What about Greg?
The chainsaw man took Greg!
The chainsaw man? Did you two go looking for him? Good job! Now Greg is in trouble. Now what?
Please let me go! How do you wear someone else's face? Help!
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar.
Who's there?
Well, what do we have here?
Who are you?
So your little friend likes to throw grenades at my house. Well, my son will take care of him.
Your son? You mean the freak with the chainsaw?
My son will take care of you all.
Hey, let me go! I told Timmy it was a bad idea.
Will you just relax, Debbie? Did your son get kidnapped, baby Trevor? No, but I wish he did.
You wanna tussle?
Listen, Debbie, we're gonna do everything we can to get Greg back. Oh, when I get my hands on that freak,
I'm gonna rip him apart!
Oh!
sorry.
Why are people screaming outside?
It's him. Let the party begin. You ready, baby Trevor? Does it look like I have a choice? I'll take that as a yes. Here he comes. Why your face look like that?
I don't know.
You son of a bushka!
I think you guys did it. I think he's dead.
Yep, looks like it. That was easy.
Oh my bushka!
Honey, your foot!
Oh!
It looks like chicken. Honey, he doesn't die so easily. Now what?
I wish Luke and Lucy was here. Billy, call Michael Myers.
You're right.
Mikey!
You okay, Billy?
I really need to get new shoes. She lost a foot and she's worried about new shoes? You okay, Debbie?
That freak is gonna pay for taking my son! Time to play!
Ooh, play what? Grand Theft Auto? Roblox?
Honey, I don't think Debbie meant video games.
Rats! Ooh, that kick to the gut is gonna make him go poop!
Debbie, look out!
Holy cow!
Good morning, Marshmallow.
What's going on?
Oh, you're awake, Billy? Oh.
Where's my son?
Oh, Debbie, your hand.
Why is everyone losing limbs?
I don't wanna lose anything.
I'm out of ammo. So am I. Where's he going?
I'll be back, guys.
Where the hell do you think you're going?
You mind your business! Yeah, what's up? This is Luke. Luke, you gotta come to my house right away. Sorry, Timmy, I can't. I'm at the beach. There's a crazy guy trying to kill us. What? I'll be right there. Okay.
Will you quit shaking?
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray, and the sun is turning red.
Honey, I don't think your foot did any damage to him. Well, then it looks like we're gonna go with plan B. This is for cutting my foot off. Oh my gosh!
There goes another body part.
Honey! No, please!
I am the knight. I am vengeance!
Oh, snap! It's Big Lit Bat Boy.
Cheeto?
Yeah. Why are you feeding me sugar?
So when I turn you into a homemade soup, you'll taste sweet.
You're gonna eat me? Help!
Oh!
Where are you?
Jimmy, you okay?
Yeah.
Try Mikey again.
Mikey!
Get away from me! Put that down! Get that away from me!
I bet my son would love to wear your face. Hold still.
No, not my face! Help! Lucy! Hi, Greg. Come on, let's get out of here.
Oh, crap!
Ah! His head!
Oh my gosh!
Luke, you made it just on time! Yeah, well, it sucks, because I was having fun at the beach.
Honey! Why are you crying, Snowflake?
Because I wanted to help and I couldn't call Mikey.
Dork!
Well, it's okay, Billy. Maybe you can help next time.
Yeah, so quit your crying before I ground you for 2 months.
Oh.
I'm just glad we got rid of this guy. Thanks, Luke.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. Thank you for helping. Honey, your foot and your hand, they grew back. You're right. It's like I could regenerate.
Whoa, that's so cool. I want to regenerate.
Get out of the way, Cow Eyes! Where's that freak? Oh, he's dead. But we still need to find my son.
Mom, I'm right here.
Greg! I'd never see you again. Ah.
Greg, but how did you escape? Well, someone rescued me. Hello. Lucy!
Get over here!